Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Hootsuite for scheduling dropshipping posts. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To get started with Hootsuite, begin by creating an account on their website. Once your account is set up, log in to the Hootsuite dashboard. On the left sidebar, click on the My Profile icon to connect your social media accounts. Select the social media platforms you will use for your dropshipping posts. Follow the prompts to authorize Hootsuite to access your accounts. After your accounts are linked, navigate to the Publisher section on the left sidebar. Click on Content to open the Content Calendar. To create a new post, click the New Post button located at the top right corner. In the post editor, choose the social media profile where you want to publish your dropshipping post. Craft your post by writing engaging text that highlights your dropshipping products. Make sure to include relevant hashtags to enhance discoverability. Next, upload any images or videos related to your dropshipping products. Preview your post to ensure everything looks good. Once satisfied with your post, select the date and time you want it to be published. You can either schedule the post for a later date or publish it immediately. If scheduling, click on the calendar icon to choose your preferred date and time. After setting the time, click Schedule to save your post. You can view your scheduled posts in the Content Calendar for easy management. To edit or reschedule any posts, simply click on them in the calendar. For tracking engagement and performance, visit the Analytics section. This will help you understand what types of posts resonate with your audience. With these steps, you are now ready to use Hootsuite for scheduling your dropshipping posts efficiently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.